Hi, everyone. What an incredible rally in the stock market last week. But what volatility, my goodness, over the last few months. I hope everybody is safe from COVID-19. You're getting back outside like I am here. And you did profit in the stock market. Now, the rally in the market and the weaker dollar has certainly risen some commodities. Corn, for example, which we've been bearish on the weather, has been affected by the resurgence in these outside markets. Now, if we get into July without any hot weather, we'll see corn prices go back down. I'll have an update soon here in the next couple of weeks about my summer forecast. But regarding the summer forecast, I don't feel comfortable on natural gas. Just look at the market action. Here we are back online. Crude oil is soaring over 100% the last few weeks, yet natural gas is struggling. A tropical storm in the Gulf is not going to do anything to hurt production. It's really not a factor. So I'd rather see people that have been short the $2 natural gas put from 2 months ago, take a small loss and just wait, limit your loss, get out, because I don't see hot weather right now. The number one high confidence trade I actually see was selling the 115 September coffee call last Thursday around, I don't know, about 300 points, was over 1,000 a contract. And then on the Vietnam drought, which is hurting Robusta, which is cheap instant coffee, buying 3 Robusta coffee for every 1 short September coffee call in New York. I know that's kind of a strange play, but I think this trade can make up to $2,000 a contract over the next 6 weeks, unless we see a major frost in Brazil or wet weather or some kind of concern. Notice the Brazil real has soared, yet coffee is still lagging. That's a bearish sign for the New York City, New York Arabica coffee contract. So again, I'd be short calls, long Robusta against it. I'll be having other updates here for the summer forecast for grain soon. It's kind of an off season right now until we get into July and August. And you'll see more of my explanation on my report today. I have to go play ping pong, so excuse me. We'll talk to you soon.